Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to insert Google Sheets into Google Sites. This is a fantastic way to display live spreadsheet data directly on your website, whether you're showcasing project timelines, budget reports, or team schedules. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to sites.google.com. Once you're there, locate and open the site where you want to add your spreadsheet. This will take you into the editing interface where you can make changes to your site's content and layout. Now, take a look at the right side of your screen. You'll notice several tabs available in the panel. Make sure you're currently on the Insert tab. This is where you'll find all the different elements and content types you can add to your site, from text boxes to images and embedded documents. Next, scroll down through the Insert tab options until you find the Sheets option. It might be nestled among other Google Workspace tools, so take your time looking through the list. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on Sheets. This action will open up a selection window showing you all the Google Sheets files available in your Google Drive. From this window, browse through your available spreadsheets and select the specific sheet you want to display on your site. Click on it to highlight your choice, then look for the Insert button and click it. This will embed your selected Google Sheet directly into your Google Sites page. Give it a moment to load and appear on your site. Now, here's an important step you might need to take. If your spreadsheet has restricted access settings, you'll need to adjust the sharing permissions so visitors to your site can view it properly. To do this, click on the drop-down menu that appears with your embedded sheet. You'll see several permission options, including Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Choose the level of access that makes sense for your needs. If you just want people to see the data without making changes, select Viewer. If you want them to add comments, choose Commenter. And if you need them to edit the sheet directly, select Editor. After making your selection, click Share to apply these permissions. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a Google Sheet into your Google Sites page, and now your spreadsheet data is live and accessible to anyone visiting your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.